If there's like one sneakerhead that is the most known in the world that's Filipino, it has definitely got to be DJ Big Boy Cheng. There are multiple videos of his sneaker collection plastered all over YouTube. He was covered by the top sneaker YouTubers from the world. It's kind of like a rite of passage every time like an international sneaker YouTuber comes to the Philippines. You have Kais Omar who did a video on his collection. You have Sneaker Talk who did his collection. You have Legit Tim who did his collection. Seth Fowler also did a video. I mean, he just has the most number of grails when it comes to shoes. But what I love about Big Boy is that if you get to meet him, and I've had the privilege of meeting him several times, is that he is one of the most humble guys you will ever get to meet. And he will wear sneakers regardless if they are super expensive or if they are affordable or if they are in the mid-tier. And that's probably the reason why when he did his latest collaboration, he did it with World Balance, one of the more accessible and affordable sneaker brands here in the Philippines. For today's episode, we're going to unbox his new shoe. This is the World Balance Secret Fresh. Siyempre, kailangan Big Boy ang pangalan. B69. Let's go. Quick reminder, before we unbox the shoe, we have 3 ongoing giveaways. We're giving away Project Rock Under Armour sneakers. We're giving away a brand new Samsung TV. We're giving away a Yeezy Desert boot. The links to all of the giveaways can be found down below. Join them. We will draw most of the winners next week. Good luck. As you guys can see, it comes in this sleek black World Balance box, which is different from the typical Invictus boxes that you would see with multiple prints in white and in red. This one is more subtle, more understated, and more, well, classy. And if you take a look at the side, it says over there the details. It says the Invictus. So they did use the Invictus silhouette for this particular shoe. The Invictus is one of the most popular sneakers in the World Balance lineup. And it says over here, color, Secret Fresh WBM 1520. This is size 13, which is my typical size for the Invictus. If you pop the box open, you have your typical tissue paper, and then ba-bam! Woohoo! That is one sick, crazy shoe. Good job, Big Boy. Good job, World Balance. This is absolutely awesome. Now, we really have to take a closer look at the shoe. For the upper, it's dominantly made out of mesh, but you do have stylistic overlays, including 2 different colors of camo. This one is some sort of like blue-green with orange and black and brown. That's on the lateral side. And on the medial side, actually it's just one. It's the green is just more pronounced on the lateral, and on the medial side, it's more the orange. And then you have the red accent along the laces, and then you have the mesh upper, which can be clearly seen on the toe box along the side panels. And then you have that nice suede toe guard over here, or toe box, and then here at the back of the heel with the World Balance logo. If you take a look, of course, at the tongue tab, that's where you see the Secret Fresh logo on top of the camo design. And then you have the insole, which is their memory foam type insole, which I think it's called like the bounce back insole, which gives it that really nice spring to the step and also helps with the cushioning. Overall, in terms of style, I love the color blocking. I love the flash of red along the laces, and that camo design with the orange. I'm a huge fan of orange, you guys know. And it's that color blocking and that mix which I feel makes it a really slick, really kick-ass shoe. Now, to those who are wondering, this will just sell for 2,699 pesos. There will only be 500 pairs available when it releases on September 18, and it is now available for pre-order on the World Balance Philippines website. So you might want to check that out if you are from the Philippines. Guys, magtatagalog ako, so I'll speak in Filipino for the Filipino viewers who are watching this episode today. Hindi araw-araw na may lumalabas na sobrang gandang sapatos na ganito, na local brand ng World Balance. You have a local collaborator, one of the most iconic people in the Philippines when it comes to the sneaker world and the streetwear world. Of course, I'm talking about DJ Big Boy Cheng. Yung 500 na yan, dapat mag-sell out yan. Yung 500 na yan, dapat ubus yan. At nagtitiwala ako sa inyong lahat na uubusin ninyong lahat yan. Kasi suportahan natin si Big Boy. Because if it weren't for Big Boy, there won't be a lot of the things that you see in the scene right now, you don't know, hindi nyo alam kung gaano kadaming natulungan si Big Boy when it comes to the streetwear scene, when it comes to the sneaker scene, how much that guy has helped me with my YouTube channel, and how much he has helped me get to where I am today as well. So, itong mga gantong bagay na linalabas ni Big Boy, bilhin natin, hindi lang dahil gusto natin siya suportahan, pero kasi kung titingnan nyo naman talaga, ang angas ang ganda talaga. So if I were you, you have the extra cash and you're not strapped for money. Alam ko naman medyo taghirap ngayon, pero if you are going to buy a shoe and you have a choice between buying like, you know, the typical international brand, I would strongly recommend you go for this one. Let's support Big Boy, let's support Secret Fresh, let's support our friends from World Balance. By the way, World Balance, one of the kindest, most caring Filipino companies. No, nag-raise kami ng funds for the frontliners a few months back. They donated several giant boxes of their shoes that we distributed to nurses and frontliners. So napakalaki ng puso ng mga tao nasa kumpanya na yan. Kaya ako talaga, guys, suportahan natin sila. World Balance Secret Fresh, dropping September 18, 500 pairs only for pre-order. Really nice design. Big Boy, congratulations. Napakaganda ng design ng sapatos mo. I will be proud to wear this. Kasi apart from you being a great friend and a great icon in the industry, ang angas talaga ng design. Now, before we end the vlog, I just want to give a shout out to Eastrock Leather Technology Shoes. This company is actually owned by the same guys also from World Balance. So, if naghahanap naman kayo ng leather shoes or formal shoes or work shoes, you might want to check their sneakers out. So, this one is their Choka Plain Toe. Really nice design, really nice quality for the price. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo what it looks like so you have an idea. Parang maganda tong alternative sa Colehan. So, kung wala kayong budget pang Colehan, which is insanely expensive, and you still want like stylish at the same time comfortable shoes, you might want to go for Eastrock. So, very lightweight, durable foam for the midsole and outsole, and it just fits the bill when it comes to budget work shoes that won't break down on you. So again, you might want to check them out, Eastrock shoes. So that's the Choka. And the last one that I want to show you is called the Derby Plain Toe. So this one also is in brown. Ang ganda rin ng packaging niya. They come in these individual shoe bags. So hindi lang siya normal. Para premium, di ba? And this one, as you guys can see, is more of a low-cut leather brown shoe, which you can beat up mercilessly and it will still keep you comfortable because of the build. So hindi siya leather sole, hindi siya masakit sa paa. It's still nice to rock on the daily. And lastly, before we really end the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to our good friend, another Filipino YouTuber, Paulo Tomenes. This is actually the shirt that we are coming out with very soon. It's the I'm Still Learning Project 721 shirt. This one actually says, peace, God bless, what's up, boom. There's a really nice design at the back which we will reveal very soon. Hindi ko pa ipapakita sa inyo sa vlog na to. But again, watch out for that. It will be coming soon to you guys and you should be able to buy it if you want one. We will make sure that it will be available on Lazada. So if you don't normally buy through our website, which is 721.co, you can buy it from Lazada on our web store over there. I'll put the link down below to the Project 721 web store in the comment section. Okay? And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Shout out again to DJ Big Boy Cheng, to World Balance, to Eastrock, to Paulo Tomenes. Sama na rin natin na ating maganda, guwapong kaibigan na si Anti-Shoe Expert. I miss you guys. We'll drop by Secret Fresh very soon. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.